there's like a bug and it won't go away. Okay, as I was filming my Old Navy video, I got a package in the mail and I'm so excited because it's my Fabfitfun box. If you don't know what Fabfitfun is, it is like a seasonal subscription box that has like beauty, fashion, fitness, home, like it's like just all in one type of box. And I think it's worth it because I personally just love to have an assortment of items, and I think it's fun having these things come to your door, and I've had really good luck with my boxes. I know there's a hit or miss with a couple products in each box, but today we are going to be sitting down and doing the unboxing for the summer one. Normally I like to test out the products, but I'm going to open this and then I'm going to be doing a summer essentials video, so whatever I like from in here, I'm going to include it in there. So a lot of people got, I think, a blue box, so I'm pretty happy that this came because I'm really into this color. So we're gonna open it and see what I got because I really don't remember. So the first thing that says here is you deserve some more summer fun, $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. I do think I have a code for you guys to get $10 off your first box. I'll leave it in the description if I do. So yeah, okay, that's nice. We have the magazine saying what all the products are. I really love this, and I feel like this one's better quality than the other ones. And then I got a America's #1 meal kit. I am from Canada, and this is HelloFresh. I personally, right now, I'm not into HelloFresh just because I've looked on their website and their things just don't apply to me right now. Maybe when I have my own house and my own kitchen, it'd be better, but yeah, unfortunately, I'm not going to be using this, but someone else may. The first thing that I got was the Jennifer jewelry. It's like Jennifer Zuyer jewelry or something. It comes in a little pouch, which is cute, and it is gold. And it's just got 2 little stars. I have like no gold jewelry, so I thought this would be perfect. Let's just like open it and see how it looks. Oh, I like that. That's really cute. It is so like dainty. I like that a lot. I'm going to be wearing that a lot. So this here is $50. Would I pay $50 for it? I don't know. It is very cute though. But anyway, yeah, this is cute. I like it. I'm happy I got that. Okay, the next thing. So this is the foot exfoliating foot mask. A foot exfoliating. This is an exfoliating foot mask, and it smooths and softens your feet. It's like a coconut one. In all honesty, I don't think I'm going to use this just because my feet are not bad and I like to just go get a pedicure every 6 months. So I'm actually going to pass this along. Yeah, so I feel like for the summertime this was really nice to get. I just personally, I don't really see a point in it. I wanted this and I'm so happy I got it. This is the Coola makeup setting spray with SPF 30 in it. I have to do a summer like skincare makeup video because I need to show you guys the things that I have with SPF in it, because SPF is going to be your friend in the summer. You need sunscreen. I'm excited for this because I just actually ran out of my setting spray, and because I don't have to pay for a setting spray with sunscreen. This is going to protect your skin while setting your makeup. Oh, I'm excited. Ooh, and it's so fancy too. So this is what it looks like. This is something I would buy full price for just because of the importance of your skin. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. So I'm going to continue to use this, and you guys are going to be seeing this. Look, it's matching my nails. You guys are going to see this in my summer essentials video, but if you want to see a summer like makeup and skincare video, let me know in the comments down below. But I am excited for that. So that alone was $36. I would have paid for that. So basically the setting spray and the necklace is the cost of the box already, and even if the necklace was on sale, it still would have basically covered the box. So next up are these invisible or Bobble hair elastics. I don't know about these. I'm very picky with my hair elastics, and I don't know if I'm going to like these or not. I'm very specific with like hair elastics. I also like my scrunchies, so I don't know about these, but they are cute to have for the summertime, and they're not gonna like harm your hair. So I'm not overly like, oh my god, but I'm happy to have them. The next thing that I got is this Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Now, I've heard that if you have sensitive skin, this may not be the best, but I always like to try different masks because I have sensitive skin for you guys to know, and because this is purple, this is right up my alley. So I'm going to for sure test this out and then give you guys a review on it so you guys can see, because now I am interested to see if this is actually going to be purple or not. Oh, it looks like it will be purple. Smells pretty good too. So yeah, I'm going to test this out for you guys and then do a video on this. But I feel like this is nice for the summertime because you want a nice mask. Like, you want a good one. So this is supposed to be fine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture your skin. Awesome. Okay. So this here is supposed to be $39. So basically I got like the box, even just with like the 2 skincare things alone. Necklace free. I like this a lot. This is the Spray All Day Rose Spray Grace and Stella Rose Water. I've never had any like rose water. I've been wanting to buy some, but I always feel like, ooh, it's a big purchase. I don't want to purchase it. Like, I don't know, but it came in my Fabfitfun box and I am excited because now I'm going to have it. So it's a nice big bottle too. Okay, I want to mist 4 to 5 sprays onto face before or after makeup. Repeat neededly throughout the day. Oh, that's nice. I actually used to use like a Clinique spray every single morning just to add hydration, and then before I went to bed to add hydration. So I feel like this would be nice to add like in the morning and then before I put my makeup on. So I'm really excited to use this. That retails for $23.95, which I know they retail for that much because I wanted to buy one, but I never spent money on it. So the next thing, you guys probably know, is another face mask. I'm so impressed by this packaging here. This is the 111 Skin Hairsley St. London Rose Face Masks, and I will do a review on these because I really like face masks, so I'm going to do a review. So this is supposed to diminishes the appearance of fine lines. It's 24K gold, enhances skin radiance to brighten uneven skin tone, rejuvenate and nourish laxured skin, and it's rose gold. So I'm excited to see how this looks and how this works. This looks so high end. Like, these look like the most fanciest face masks I've ever gotten. So I'm gonna see how these are and see if they're gonna be worth the money. Okay guys, apparently this is supposed to be like $160. So if these are actually supposed to be that much, did I ever pick the right thing? But we are going to see if these are actually going to be worth the money, because that's a lot of money for a face mask. I better be getting like the best skin ever after. I ended up picking this because I really wanted like a summery type of towel. So I really wanted something very, very summery. So I ended up going with this nice towel. It's almost like a microfiber type of feel to it. I feel like it'd be nice for pictures. I feel like it'd be nice to bring to the beach. It's a really big towel and it's very, very cute. So I had to get it. It's actually really, really soft. I don't want to bring it to the beach. I want to like sleep in it because of how soft it is. This alone was supposed to be $50. I like this. Like, I think this is super cute. It's a really nice color and I thought it was going to be a lot thinner, but it's not. Like, it's really nice. So, and it matches my nails. There's something about this box that's just... Last item is a mystery item. The last time I got a mystery item, I did not like it. It was a silicone makeup sponge and I didn't like it, so I got rid of it. But this time I'm really hoping it's something good. So this time it's the Dr. Brand Skin Changing Luminizer Primer. Oh my goodness, this gives you a natural looking backlight glow, revives dull skin, a primer. Are you kidding me? And I know this stuff is not cheap because I actually have the under eye stuff. A lot of people don't like it. I like it because it just helps take the puff away, and then I put moisturizer on underneath. Like, it works. Ooh, this, what? Okay, I needed a new primer, so if this works, I'm going to be so happy. Oh, look at that. It's like tinted. Yeah. And it smells nice too. So I can't wait to give that a try under my makeup, and if it works, I will for sure put this in my summer essential because I for sure want to let you guys know how this works. But yeah, oh my goodness, I'm really happy about this one. Awesome. Cool. Can't wait to give that a try. Just a little recap on the box. I loved everything and I'm excited to try those things. There's only 3 things in this box that I'm not particularly like, oh my god. Just the HelloFresh for me. It's just not something I want right now. Maybe in the future, like I was saying, just not now. The exfoliating foot mask, it's not something I personally need. And the hair elastics, in my opinion, is just not something that I am like, oh my goodness. I would have rather just got like a hand cream or something. But this is just 3 things out of the box that I was not a fan of. However, I have to say, I got a steal and I got a good box and I am excited. Actually, a lot of the products that I use day to day are actually from the Fabfitfun box, so I'm excited to start using those day to day. The total of the box I will put right here just because I cannot do the math right now, but I know it is a good deal. So if you guys were thinking about Fabfitfun, I definitely think it is worth the money if you're into skincare, hair care, if you're into trying different things out. I personally just got myself 1 box to try out, see if I liked it, see if I used the things, and then I personally just went for the annual subscription just because you get more of a, you know, customizable option, and I feel like that's best for me. For someone who loves to play around with products and someone who loves to test products and review products and give you guys opinions, I feel like this box is great. I get so anxious when I go to like the drugstore, when I go online, when I go anywhere for shopping. It's like, oh my god, what do I get? And at least this way it's like, here's your setting spray, use it. You know, a couple months we'll give you another one. Stuff like that. So I definitely think it's worth it and I love it. So if you guys got Fabfitfun, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.